Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's question is it too late to start YouTube? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone. Is it too late to start YouTube? It's a big question and I want to give you my thoughts, and I'm going to take a different approach. This is going to be just a rolling record of my thoughts. I've not scripted this one. This could go for a short time, or it could go for a long time. We don't know yet. When I started YouTube, it's 2011. I should say I'm a businessman. I run a content marketing agency based in London. So when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't have any aspirations of being the new PewDiePie, or I should say T-Series now. PewDiePie, T-Series, KSI, anything like that. I didn't have those aspirations. I thought that I could record a few videos that would help my customers and prospective customers with problems that they were facing. As a marketing agency guy and a content creator, there's only so many people I can meet with during a normal week. So those people that are beyond that, or those maybe people who cannot afford our services, or people who are in different countries, they can watch a YouTube channel, get some tips, get some strategies, and start to apply them for their businesses. And in that way, I'm helping more people and reaching more people. That was my initial idea when I started YouTube. I uploaded my first video in 2011, and I'll put a card to that first video. You can have a look at the quality there. And obviously since then I've uploaded quite a lot of videos. I think we've uploaded 250 videos externally facing. There are some more that are private for internal use within the company, but I've uploaded 250 videos. And I started YouTube as an experiment. I didn't think I was going to be YouTube famous or anything like that. It was just to support my business. It's a channel in the same way that LinkedIn is a channel, or Twitter is a channel, and obviously your company blog, another communications channel. So when I started, it was very much a case of let's see what happens with a few videos and take it from there. YouTube has grown into this massive business in the last few years, and people are now, and have done for a few years, specifically starting YouTube channels to make money just from YouTube, rather than it being a channel for their business or an expression of or another communications point for them if they're already musicians or something else. There are businesses created all around YouTube, just YouTube. And so if you wanted to start a business, or if you wanted to get yourself on YouTube to promote your business, I'm going to talk about that in a minute, or if you wanted to be a YouTube specific business, now is a great time. And it's not too late, because let's just think about the people who have become YouTube stars. There are lots of people who've been on the platform for many years. I mentioned sort of PewDiePie and KSI as good examples, because they are huge YouTube users and people are aware of them. They're famous and they make millions and millions of dollars, pounds, whatever currency you like to assess their wealth in. But there are people who have come to the platform, come to YouTube much later than those guys. So there's a guy called Graham Stephan, who is not known to so many people because he's not a gamer, he's not in entertainment. He makes videos about real estate investing and financially related products and services and initiatives. And he only started his channel, and I'll put a screenshot from his channel or from Social Blade up now. And he only started his channel at the end of 2016. So he started relatively recently, and he's now got around 270,000 subscribers. And by his own admission, and he's uploaded a video to this proving this, he's making $14,000 a month just from YouTube revenue. So if you wanted to start a YouTube channel and just be about the revenue, obviously, there's a lot of hard work before you get there. And there's a recent example. An even more recent example in Graham Stephan is a young lady called Joanna Sidia, and I will put a screenshot of her channel. And she started about a year ago. and she's now amassed around 50 million views. And obviously, if we look at the figures from Social Blade, she's also making a very healthy revenue from YouTube, and that's within 1 year. So not sort of 9 years ago, 8 years ago, all of that. She started a year ago and has become massively popular. I think she's got about 1.5 million subscribers. This is in a year. So she's come from nowhere and she's obviously crushing it now. So if you are interested in that YouTube fame, then that's great. That opportunity is still open, and there's probably more opportunities. And that's not even talking about brand deals or side deals that can be presented to YouTube creators just because they have a very good presence on one platform. They get opportunities that may sort of manifest in other areas. So if you want the YouTube fame route, or you want it to be making a lot of revenue from YouTube in itself, then now is a good time. So it's not too late. If you want to use YouTube to promote your business, it's still a very good time to do that. And the reason I say that is because lots of businesses, and I'm thinking about some of the businesses we work with, like construction companies, architects, accountants, property developers. These people are quite reluctant to put themselves forward, either themselves or their colleagues, in video. They may have a corporate video produced, but they don't want to do a video every week or 2 videos every week. And because of that, if you come in to represent your company and you're in one of these sectors, not entertainment, we've talked about that, but you're in one of these business sectors and you start creating regular videos, you will make a name for yourself and for your company very quickly. 5-10 videos, and already you're starting to stand out from your competitors, because then they're not doing that. They're very reluctant. People are quite shy to be in front of a camera, and they think, oh well, and is there a cost factor that's going to hold them back? Usually there isn't a cost factor. It's more about being shy and being scared, or the fear of presenting themselves and their company on video. And it's a fear that you've just got to jump in it and throw yourself forwards, because there's a lot to be gained from it and very little to be gained from standing on the sidelines. So if you want to represent your company, the first thing you must do is say, right, okay, how are we going to produce these videos? Everybody has smartphones. You can start with a smartphone. Make sure you get your sound on point. Make sure you get your lighting on point. But a smartphone will be the sort of technical apparatus that will do most of the work for you. And then say, okay, will we blog once a week? Or we blog twice a week? How often should we create a video? Let's create a video once a week. So if you commit to uploading a new video once a week, already you're going to start to put yourself in a position of some advantage, because you'll have regular content. People will start to, within your sector, and prospective customers will start to realize, oh, they've got a new video out every week. Great, let me look at that video. You create helpful content in the way that, marketing fundamentals, we're always talking about content must be of value to the audience. You create helpful content, and people will look for your videos. Within a few videos, you'll start to make a name for yourself and for your company. And just remember that YouTube is owned by Google. So Google is the largest search engine in the world. YouTube is, I think, the second largest search engine in the world. When you start to rank with your videos, and video SEO is something you'll need to learn as you develop your YouTube channel, but you can do that quite quickly. When you start to learn video SEO and rank your videos well on YouTube, they'll also rank well on Google. So you'll see when you search for any particular long tail keyword on Google, you'll see a number of results. Some of those results are video results. So let's say you're in a sector, there's people are reluctant to use video, you're creating videos, your videos are going to be up there in the search results. You might be on page 1 for the search results because your videos are being presented. Now can you see the advantage? It's a big advantage for yourself and your business, because you're creating video, which is a lot of people like to consume content in videos. Some like to read written content, of course, but lots of people like to watch video. So you're now presenting video content in a way that's accessible to your audience. Not only is it accessible, you're ranking high on Google, high on YouTube, and this is a major plus point for your business. And it's amazing that so many people are, as I say, reluctant to create video. You should be doing video for your business. It's a lot of times people who think only of the entertainment models, the PewDiePies, the KSIs, the T-Series, and they don't realize the massive advantages for business that YouTube presents. So the answer to the question is yes, you should be on YouTube. And is it too late? No, it's not too late. Get started. And if you want help, because obviously I've been on that journey. I've started as a business person. I've started to represent my company on YouTube, and I've kept to a YouTube video content strategy and regular uploads, and that's been well received. I've had feedback and interaction from all around the world, which is amazing, really. I think obviously YouTube as a platform has more reach than my own company website, which is doing very well, but it's not got the reach that YouTube has. So there are lots of benefits. And if you want to go on that journey, and we're towards the end of 2018 now, if you want to go on that journey in 2019, then get in contact with me, somebody that's similar to you if you're representing your business, and can help you on that YouTube journey, help you make benefits and gains for your business and for your own personal brand, if it's your personal brand that you're representing. So I look forward to hearing from you. You can comment here, or you can send me a DM, or you can contact me on Twitter, or on LinkedIn, and I will be happy to talk to you and discuss your objectives and help you achieve those as we go forward over the next year, 2 years. So, as I said, the answer to the question is no, it's not too late. And if you want help, then get in contact with me and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. If you've liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Click on my face to subscribe and click on one of the screenshots to watch another video. Thanks, bye-bye.